Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at some new HO scale train things that I got from the Great Berea train show. I went on Sunday, October 4th. We were there literally at the end of it, so nobody was there. We were there from probably 1:30 to about maybe now it was probably 2:30 to 4. Yeah, so let's start. First I got this nice B&O 4-bay hopper with a coal load in it. I got this for $8, so I'll take that sticker off. Yeah, so I got that, and the nice thing about this, I think somebody detailed or tried to weather it, and the weathering looks really nice. My camera won't focus. Okay, yeah, there we go. But the weathering on it looks really, really nice. Yeah, so there it is, and then got the coal load. If it'll focus, yeah, so, yeah, that's pretty nice. Next, we have this chassis system box car. I'll take that out of the box store. That was $3. I thought that was even more of a deal than the hopper. So I got this for $3, and it's also weathered. So I got the hopper and this box car from the same booth. So yeah, they were both really nice and cheap though. So yeah, so this is all nicely weathered, and even the top too. It's got nice weathering down there. Yeah, so yeah. No box car. Focus. Okay, never mind. And last, this was my favorite, for $20, which I thought was just the best possible model train deal you could ever possibly find. I got a brand new engine. So I think this is a Manaway Tyco engine. It's a GP20, but it is a Susquehanna. It's either Susquehanna or Susquehanna. It stands for New York Susquehanna. And then that, I think that stands for New York Susquehanna, and I don't know, could be Western, I don't know. Yeah, and the reason why it was $20, there's a little bit of damage there on the front, and when I had taken it out of the box, this back, the farthest back wheel truck, the wheel just fell out, and I think it's because it literally snapped off of the truck, so that probably also explains why it was $20, and there's not the grab irons on the whole thing. Yeah, some of them aren't completely connected, but overall this engine is awesome, and I can't run it yet because I've got nothing wheel but my, I'm going to try to super glue it tonight back on, and hopefully we'll get that running. But yeah, that's and it's it looks like it's brand new besides the front and that wheel that hooked up, it's a brand new engine for $20. It was awesome, so yeah, there's that. Oh, I can tilt that. Nice. Yeah, so that's an awesome engine, but yeah, that's everything that I got. So I got the B&O hopper, the chassis system box car, and the Susquehanna locomotive. So yep, there's everything. Yeah, so I thought all of this was a really nice deal, but yeah, that's it. So thanks guys for watching. Bye.